Welcome back, everybody. Derrick Soo, your East Oakland advocate. Well, today, the announcement of former Supreme Court Justice Sandra Day O'Connor. She passed away at 93. I remember when she was appointed, and it was an exciting time for women because this ushered in the era of the woman back in the 80s, because that's when Pelosi started coming into power. Dianne Feinstein came into power, and a lot of other ladies were coming into power. And Sandra Day O'Connor led the way. She was the first woman ever to be appointed to the United States Supreme Court. And it was an exciting time. She was appointed by then President Ronald Reagan in 1981. And I say this was an exciting time because while Sandra Day, before she got married, she was born and raised in Arizona, but she went to Stanford Law here in the Bay Area. And when she graduated, she couldn't get a job. No law firm wanted a woman because back then it was an old boys club, and so breaking that old boys club was unheard of. And the best that she could do was get a job as a secretary. Nobody would hire her as a lawyer, a female lawyer, because the law industry was dominated by men at the good old boys club once again. But she wrote letters to the San Francisco district attorney, and he hired her as an assistant DA. And that's what started everything for her. And eventually, she was recognized by many different law firms and organizations, and even politics, because she was appointed by then President Ronald Reagan in 1981, and she replaced a justice that I believe had retired. I don't think he had passed away. He had just retired. and so she served until the year 2000. So that was a substantial term. And she literally opened the door for the other ladies of the Supreme Court to take a seat at the table. And it was, like I said, an exciting time. She was a Republican. She was raised as a rancher, and left there, and like I said, went to Stanford Law, got her degree, and passed the bar, and just couldn't get a job. So where have we heard that before? So anyway, she was 93 when she passed today, and she opened a lot of doors. She broke glass ceilings for the ladies today. So we all want to appreciate Sandra Day O'Connor. Oh, and another important piece of information that a lot of people may not know about Sandra Day O'Connor. While she was a Republican, she did vote to uphold Roe versus Wade. That's ruling, the abortion rights, right to life ruling. She upheld the old ruling, not this one. So she chose for the ladies to have a choice. So while she was Republican, she was very forward thinking. So once again, Sandra Day O'Connor, former United States Supreme Court Justice, 1981 to year 2000, dies today at age 93. Thank you for joining me today. We'll be right back.